여보세요. Hello, Aigoo. Who is this? Aigoo, you young people, always rushing with sandpaper like crazy person. Sigh. In my village, Chungcheong province, we have saying, Namudo Mayumi ista. Wood have feeling too, you know. I watch my neighbor, he sand wood so hard, so angry, like fighting with enemy. Omo. Wood become rough, ugly, very sad. But our grandson, he find better way. Now wood so smooth, like baby skin. Aigoo. Why nobody tell Grandma this secret before? Linkin Seolmyong. How you say? Description. Check, please. Grandma Kim know everything about wood now. Trust me.